Alright, we're playing Duck in Paradise, 2644. Let's play b3, keep it simple. Here, d4, of course. We'll play c4 again, why not? So here, I guess castles, or d5, depending. Actually, I think I'm going to trade here in castle. I'm just going to play one of the simpler lines here. Playing knight c3. Okay, goes there. I'll play knight c3. We'll go queen c2. Probably rook d1 and e4 somewhere. Rook d1, of course. Probably I'll play e4. Like, oh, that's just a... Oh my god, did I just hang a pawn? Let's reset. The heck? Let's go here. Jeez, it's so bad by me. Oh, so bad. Now I'm gonna have to try to play really fast and just cheese him on the clock. Let's go here. Wait, what is e5? E5 looks like a very bad move. I think he might be getting a little bit too aggressive here. Because he knows that I blundered a pawn, but I think he's getting a little bit too aggressive. I'll go f3 and knight c3. And now I just create a permanent backwards pawn that I can just attack. A little bit dubious. How do I play this exactly? I'm gonna go here for starters. Main idea is just stop e4. Okay, now I'm gonna go f4 here. With like rook e6 ideas and knight d5 lurking. I don't actually know if this is good. He plays e4. Now I could go for some g4 actually, but I think I'm gonna play like rook e2 and rook d2 maybe. d5 never really an option now because I'm always getting bishop c4. So let's go here. Yeah, now I should be relatively okay. Relatively. Like, it's not great, but it's relatively speaking, it should be okay. I'm gonna go here, maybe. Go here, maybe knight e3, and then rook d1. Again, my position's improving quite a bit. Quite a bit, actually. Like, my position's almost okay now. Wait, what is that? Oh, that's just a blunder. That's just a blunder. Okay, now I get the gigantic horse versus the bad bishop with the blockade. I think I'm gonna win the... Wait, knight f5? Yeah, I feel like my opponent's just, like, massively self-destructing here. I have knight h6. Wait a second. Knight h6. Yeah, he's just massively self-destructing.